What is going on, everybody? I'm your man, Austin Snubby, hosting. Joining me today. We will be back. We'll be playing some Forza Horizon 3. We're going to be doing a real-life roleplay by ourselves, so, nothing too special. Well, let's get into it, guys. Coming out of the family house and stuff. Brought the gang with me. Got my brother-in-law over here, one friend, another friend. Now let's get into the truck and let's go. This is my sweetheart. Nothing too special. She does have a cracked tail light. We were going a little crazy earlier, but that should be about it, I think. Alright. Let's get back into it. Alright, we're gonna leave. Oh, they already left. Truck's not too good on acceleration, but oh well. Okay, let me see here. Right, we went left. Oh, there's another one of my friends tearing up the gravel road. Oh. Need some help, bud? Oh my god, he's just taking out all the fence. No, you can't even drive. Why would we race? Here, let me help him. There he is. Okay. Oh. Gonna race shift this. Woohoo! Oh, wasn't looking at the map. Oh no. It's okay, truck doesn't look that bad. Back up. Hold on, buddy. Please don't tell me this guy's gonna hit me. No, he's just gonna take out the fence. So I'm still kind of new to Australia, as you can see by that guy up there is pretty new himself. But I'm still pretty new to Australia, so if I drive on the wrong side of the road, you gotta forgive me. Is it left or right? I think it's... No, it's left. I remember coming in now. Oh no, there's a car. Good thing everything's nice and slow around here, huh? If we was in the city, I'd be doomed. Oh, now that we're on public roads, we need to keep it nice and slow. But we're heading down to my dad's garage. Customer left his Chevy Corvette there, or Camaro or something like that. I don't know, he was really vague, but wait, I don't remember this. I think it's his part this way. But he left it there. It's really modified too, but he just kind of left it there and said, it's yours now. Oh, we just... Alright, take two. Dee-dee. But anyway. But anyways, he's just like, he told me if I wanted, I can have it. So we're gonna go down there and we're gonna check it out. I also kind of work down there, so I kind of have to go down there. Yeah, I do believe it is right though. I love that horn, cute little horn. Where is this guy going? Like, why would we go left? No, you're not gonna right. You know what? I don't even know why I friended you. Okay, convoy disbanded. We're gonna try and find our way. going past this guy. I don't know what the speed limit is here though, so it's kind of a guess. It's not like Los Santos, you know, I've been there before in America, Los Santos, where they have speed limit signs. I mean, they probably got speed limit signs here, I just don't know how to read them, because, you know, it's me. Ah, I love that V8. Welcome to Bayron Bay. Oh yeah, it's straight. Step Bros. He's another friend of mine. Say Anna. Anna. Oh, please get her. Please get her. Oh, yes. Oh man, that was beautiful. Now we have to go and get the suspension checked out, but that was awesome. Also, if anybody's wondering, I do not know where I'm going. What is this? I've never been here before. Woohoo!
Would you like me to set a route there for you?
No. Oh, let's do it. Racing this Ford here. I don't know who he is. Race to Bayron Bay. No! I don't know who this guy is, but he just sent me texts like, hey, Bayron Bay. I was like, no Bayron Bay. You know what? Get out of here.
Okay. Convoy disbanded.
My dad has a couple Lamborghinis too that he works on for customers. This one, pull right on in. Oh, hold on. It's gotta recognize me first. Right there. There we go. Alrighty. Hey, Dad. This is the car, he says. Let's look at it. Alrighty, so this is the car, huh? Wow. This guy was really pimped it out. Huh. Look at those rims though, dude. He says it's really fast too. So yeah, we'll take this for sure. But first, let's get a good paint job on it, shall we? Couple wraps that we're gonna look up online. Oh wow, that's nice. Stripe, different colored wheels. It's cool. Oh, there we go, Rusty's. Anything good? So, I'm kind of liking this one. I'm really liking this one. So we're gonna download it, we're gonna put it onto the car, and we're gonna give it a test drive. I think this car is gonna be really cool. So let's take a drive with it. I think we're really gonna like this car, guys. Just the two of us, man. Yeah, it's gonna be lit. So oh, here we go. Oh, it's night. Nice horn. There you go. Wow, dude, this thing is... This is the inside view. Unleaded fuel only. We'll make sure to do that. So, this thing has like 900 something horsepower or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to rip it right here, man. We're gonna go back that way. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. Hold up. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna race shift this. Alright. We're just cruising down through here, man. 149 already. My dad would love to take out a dragster. Dude, this is cool. I love this car. It's a bus. You don't see buses every day. Fifth gear, doing about 180. Uh-oh. Aw, dude. Dude, how have I... Oh my god. For a second I thought he was pulling off to help me, but nope. So, we're gonna try and... he's gonna kill me. Well, I guess it is my car, it's not his. Sixth gear, doing 48 miles an hour. Hold on, I gotta try something real quick. Nope, okay. That's a good way to burn the engine up. So, we're gonna go back to the garage real quick and get a dragster and stuff. If my dad will let me drive it, that is. So, Bandit Rage. Haven't we seen that guy before? I don't know. That Hummer looks familiar. This is cool. I might use this car to go racing and stuff too. Ooh, that was bad. So, let's go try and get a dragster, if you'll let me. Woohoo! This car's a little slidey. It's got a safety feature too, it's not going to let me throw it in reverse. Oh my god, I hope that my dad doesn't notice. Man, he's gonna be mad. You know what I'm saying about that, you know. You just got out of control of me. Can I take a dragster out? Sure. Let's see, which one should I take out? Should I take the Fast and Furious replica or the Dom Charger car? Let's take them both out, one at a time. Because these two are his. He built these from scratch, man. I gotta see it. I'm gonna see how these things run real quick. Oh, shift. Oh man. So we gotta do this real quick. Alright, ready for this, guys? Hold on. Oh, okay. I think I figured it out. Hold on. I bet you these guys that are past me are just like, what is this guy doing? Sitting in the middle of the road trying to burn the tires off. That's my buddy right there. Woohoo! $163 in 6th gear, guys. Oh my god, look at this Porsche crying. Just wow. Dang it. Hold on. You guys didn't see none of that, okay? Whoa, don't cut me off like that, bro. You guys didn't see that one either. Movie edits. Oh, he wants to race. Let's get it. Let's do it, guys. Oh, okay, so you guys didn't see that. Ooh, in the grass. Save it. Come on, guys, we gotta get back up there. We got 1.6 miles according to my GPS. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I just
400 yards. Turn right.
turn right. Where are you taking us, bro? All right, we gotta think of some good stuff real quick. Oh, it's okay. It's just a couple fences. It happens. Where is this man taking us right now? Does he realize that this ain't no off-road type car?
400 yards. Turn left.
What? I know for a fact you did not just take that Porsche off-road like that. No way. Alright, I'm kind of lost right now, so here's what we're going to have to do. Let's go ahead. Do we want to come back down here? No, we don't. Yeah, we should. We're right here. Actually, you know what? I got a better idea. We're going up to the desert. That way we can have this strip here. So, I'll be back, guys, when I get up there. Alright guys, so we are here at the other shop my dad owns. I want to take a look at something real quick. I gotta go down quite a ways, actually. Oh yeah, there it is, Napalm Nova. Okay. Yeah, and unfortunately can't buy it though, because I ain't got none of this. So, yeah, I would love to have this. Oh man. Oh, I bet you that is so fast. Look at this. That'd be cool. Man. Anyway. Next car. See, my dad's working on these two cars for somebody who brought him in. It's my truck. I don't know. Kind of wanna auction it off and get another truck. See if I were to. What did I just click on?
You're asking me for advice? With car shopping? I've been waiting my whole life for this. Here we go. I've done my homework. Any of these would be perfect for you.
That would be awesome to have right there. It's a truck and a car. Let's actually do that. Since we're in this, let's actually try and auction off the pickup. Let's actually do that, guys. I'm gonna start it off at 50,000. Buyout price. Buyout price is gonna be 60,000, only because it's a newer pickup and stuff, and it's fully upgraded. Because I spent money on it, so that's what we're gonna do for 60,000, and we're gonna list it. And so then what we're going to do is we're going to come back here to the auto show, recommendations. We're going to find this. Oh, he changed it. This was not in here before. These two were not in here. Actually, some of these were not in here before. So let's go ahead and get this car. We're going to get in it. But we're just going to buy. I'm going to buy another car real quickly because no, not view all. I want to see how so he changes everything. Oh, so he doesn't change it all. Boy. Where's the sales? Let's see what he got. What do we have on sale here? A bunch of crap. That would be cool. A lot of this is four-wheel drive stuff. Like, now that I've noticed it, a lot of it's four-wheel drive. That would be cool. A little Raptor. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to view all. We're going to attempt to find this on the internet real quick. Alright, Chevy, is there any cool? Yeah, see, here's something like what that guy brought me back when it was stock. IROC. Ooh, I always wanted an IROC. That was cool. Camaro Z28. That's cool. I like that. Is there any cool Bumblebee stuff here? Because I know Bumblebee was a Camaro, something like that, an older one like this. Oh, yeah, right there, Bumblebee. That's cool. That's a new Bumblebee. That's weird. We might be getting two cars today, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, we might actually do this. We might actually get two of them. That one actually does remind me that. Let's go back to the very first one we saw. Not that one. This one. That one actually does. No. Man, it's so hard to decide sometimes, guys. You know what I'm saying? I need something yellow that's not so flashy, if you know what I mean. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's go and let's buy this car right here. And then we can upgrade it in a later video. Yep, that's what we're going to do. Buy car with credits. Yep. Then we're going to turn around and buy that El Camino and we're going to customize it real quick and do a strip. Well, first we're going to take out the other car. We'll be right back, guys, when this loads. Alright, guys, so we have the Camino pulled up here. We're going to look for a cool looking skin here. And right there's Ghostbusters. That right off the bat catches my eye. Because I'm a real big Ghostbusters fan. Silver Rusty. But then I see one, but this one says Street Outlaws. And I know Street Outlaws has an El Camino that's pretty cool looking too. Then we got Hot Wheels here. Hot Wheels is pretty cool. Ooh, guys, I don't know what I want to do. American flag. Oh, man. I don't know. I kind of want to do something that makes people not think it's fast. You know, like something that might fall apart and then all of a sudden just blows them out of the water. Yeah, let's do it, guys. Found this old rusty thing. We just gonna pick it up. Just picked it up, guys. So we're gonna give this thing a good customization. Buy car with credits. Let's do it. Here you go, bro. Me and my dad. I'll haul this home and customize the crap out of it, dudes. We'll be back when we get to customize it. Alright, guys, so we just got the Camino home and we went and sat a drag body under it of a chassis. So, I mean, we're gonna probably gonna get rid of that hood scoop. Let's go and see what engine we have in it already. Then we got a monstrous, yeah, we got V8. We could put a supercar type engine in it, but I want to leave it a good sounding V8. No, all-wheel drive will ruin it. It's got that in it, but let's go ahead and put a configuration supercharger in it. What do we got here? That? No, that looks weird. We got anything good here? Yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah, that. Street hood. Tire compound race rally. Hot Wheels. Yeah, I'll leave that with race tire. Back. Oh no, not rims. We want rear tire width. Good. Front tire width. Who does this to cars though? Like. That makes the launch way better. Drivetrain. Installed. Just double checking what my dad already did. Oh, no, we already checked all that. Alright. Anything I need to add here? Oh my god! Handling we don't care about. What we care about is acceleration and launching. This thing will launch off the line like a champ with this setup, rally setup on it. Dragster rally car, let's do it. We just came from, right, okay. Engine, good. This is pretty much I'm just going through making sure my dad did everything I was going to do to it. Oh, he missed this part. Okay, let's go and put a... I'll put a race configurator in there. Okay. Alright, we're good. Let's take this mean puppy out to the street. Yep, by that. I'll be back when we're on the airfield. Oh, stop it. Alright guys, so we managed to pick up my friend Diaz, Blow Duchess, and his friend, Mike, I think his name was, who just decided to hit me. Dude. Alright, let's go guys. Let's see how fast we can get this thing out here on the airport tonight. See if these guys can... Well, Duchess is in a GTR, so he should be able to catch me with no problem. Let me guys know if I should pick up a Cyclone, guys. Like one of those. And it looks like it's going to be 185. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Guys, please let me know if I should get a GMC Cyclone and soup it up all the way. I just wanted to get this Camaro because I thought I just wanted to get this El Camino because I thought it'd be something cool to do. And soup it up all the way. The ratty tatty Camaros here to mess stuff up. So, thank you guys for watching it. Oh, come on, Diaz. It's not that hard to do. I really don't like AI in this game. Just for you guys. Alright guys, talk to you later. Adios.